यस्यैव स्फुरणं सदात्मकं असत्कल्पार्थकं भासते यस्यैव स्फुरणं सदात्मकमसत् कल्पार्थकं भासते। सदात्मकमसत्कल्पार्थकं सदात्मकमसत्कल्पार्थकं भासते यस्यैव स्फुरणं सदात्मकमसत्कल्पार्थकं भासते यस्यैव स्फुरणं सदात्मकमसत्कल्पार्थकं भासते। साक्षात् तत्त्वमसि इति वेदवचसा साक्षात् तत्त्वमसि इति वेदवचसा यः बोधयति यो बोधयति बोधयत्याश्रितान् आश्रितान् बोधयत्याश्रितान् यो बोधयत्याश्रितान् वेदवचसा यो बोधयत्याश्रितान् तत्त्वमसीति वेदवचसा यो बोधयत्याश्रितान् साक्षात् तत्त्वमसीति वेदवचसा यो बोधयत्याश्रितान् यस्यैव स्फुरणं सदात्मकमसत्कल्पार्थकं भासते साक्षात् तत्त्वमसीति वेदवचसा यो बोधयत्याश्रितान् यत्साक्षात्करणात् भवेत् न भवेत् न भवेन्न यत्साक्षात्करणात् भवेन्न पुनरावृत्तिः भवाम्भोनिधौ पुनरावृत्तिर्भवाम्भोनिधौ पुनरावृत्तिर्भवाम्भोनिधौ भवेन्न पुनरावृत्तिर्भवाम्भोनिधौ साक्षात्करणात् भवेन्न पुनरावृत्तिर्भवाम्भोनिधौ यत्साक्षात्करणात् भवेन्न पुनरावृत्तिर्भवाम्भोनिधौ यस्यैव स्फुरणं सदात्मकमसत्कल्पार्थकं भासते साक्षात् तत्त्वमसीति वेदवचसा यो बोधयत्याश्रितान् यत्साक्षात्करणात् भवेन्न पुनरावृत्तिर्भवाम्भोनिधौ तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये। Once again. Okay. Next. Yasya. Yasya means what? Yasya, whose? Yasya, yara, whose. Next. Yasya Parameshwarasya Atmanah Sadatmakam. Sadatmakam ityasya kah arthah? Sat Atmakam, Sat Swarupam. Kim tat Sat Swarupam? What is that Sat Swarupa? True form. What is that true form? Atman of Parameshwara. I mean Parameshwara or Ishwara, whatever you take, the creator, which means, okay, his creators. Sadrupa, Sadatmakam, Satswarupam. Next. Spuranam. Spuranam, which means Chaitanya here. No. Spuranam, which means Chaitanyam. Here in the shloka, Spuranam, which means we need to understand Chaitanya. Okay. So, Yasya Parameshwarasya or Kartuhu, creators, Sadatmakam, Sat Swarupam Spuranam. Sadatmaka, Sat Swarupa. In that Sat form, what is there in that Sat true form, in real form? What is that? That is Chaitanya. Sat Swaru, Satchidananda Swarupatmakam or Sat Swarupatmakam or Chit Swarupatmakam or Ananda Swarupatmakam Yat Chaitanyam. Spuranam, which means Chaitanyam. Next. I'll come to that. Sat Chit, on that I said no. We'll come to that. Next. Asat, see, Sadatmakam, Asat Kalparthakam. Okay, that the separation is like that. Padacheda is like Sadatmakam and Satkalparthakam Nasti. Sadatmakam and Asatkalparthakam we need to take. Okay. Asatkalparthakam. The Chaitanya, Sat Swarupam, which Chaitanya is there, that same Chaitanya is Asat Kalpana. Asat Rupena, or in the form of Asat, we are seeing. Why everything is explained? Just understand only that much. The same Sat, the true thing, the real thing which is there, Sat Swarupam, the Chaitanya, what is there, the reality, that itself appears as Asat. Think in that way, okay? Take in that way first. We'll see the example, okay? The same Sat Swarupa Chaitanya appears as Asat. Asat Kalpana. Kalpana, what does Kalpana mean? Imagination. So, Asat Kalpana. It's a Kalpana. Just thinking that Asat, like same Sat Swarupa Atman only, it's becoming like Asat. It's like kind of Asat, like that. Just keep it in your mind now. Next. Asat Kalparthakam Bhasate. Like that, it shows itself. The same Atman, the Sat Atman itself, it shows itself as Asat. It is Sat only, but it appears as Asat. Okay. Then, next. Yaha, next. Ashritan, next. Tattvamasiti, next. Fine. Vedavachas. Yaha. Yaha is Tasmai again. Yaha I don't explain. Yaha, which means Tasmai Shri Guru Murti, the Guru only here. Yaha, one who, the Guru. Ashritan. Ashritan means who are ashritas to him? Who are taking shelter under a Guru? Shishyas. What kind of Shishyas actually they are? In the beginning only we have discussed. Vidhivat upasannaha. Vidhivat is what? Vidhivat upasannaha means what? What kind of thing? Brahmacharya, tapas, all those things. And then Prashant, that's what, Prashanta Chitta, Shamanvitaha, Samit Panihi, with a Samit, Shrotriyaha, one who performs prayers, or one who gives oblations to Agni every day. Then Brahmanishta, mainly Brahmanishta, one who is having faith in Brahman. That kind of Ashrita. Yeah, Prashanta Chitta, everything has come under that only. No. I have taken these words, just important words, what I felt, that's what I have taken. So, Shamadhi Shatka Sampattihi, then only a person can become Prashanta Chitta or other things. That's the reason I haven't entered all those things. Shama, Dama, Uparati, Tiksha, Shraddha, everything. Okay. And then you can take Satya, what's that? Satya, all those things also we can take, everything. So, yeah, all of them. Then only a person can become Shaman, Mita, or Prashanta Chitta, everything. Okay. Fine. That kind of person, or that when we achieve all these things and will go to a Guru or Brahmajna. Guru means here completely Brahmajnani. That is the meaning in Dakshinamurti Stotra. Guru means we should not think something else. Guru itself, which means Brahmajnani. That's all. Okay. Brahmajnani. Then what he does? Tattvamasi iti Veda Vachasa. They have taken Tattvamasi as one example. But like Tattvamasi, some Prajnanam Brahma, Aham Brahmasmi, like that, many Mahavakyas are there, right? By saying all of them, by repeating them, what a Guru makes that Shishya? Guru makes that Shishya to think, actually, who am I? Till now, what I was doing, whether I was wasting time by doing some other work or not, how I was connected with every people, how I was connected with the whole world, was it right? Or what I am doing now, that is right. In that way, all doubts, clarifications, confusions, everything will be settled under his feet. So that time, Veda, with these kind of Veda sentences, what he does, Bodhayati, which means Jnapayati, he makes him to think. You are what you think, but you are something different. You are the true self, you are Atman. Okay. But what you are doing, you are thinking Asat Kalparthaka. Now I am coming back to that word. Actually, you are Sadatmaka only. Actually, you are Sadatmaka only. But what you are doing, you are thinking yourself as Asat. Asat, which means I am not that. In that way, you are having the thinking. Your imagination is something else, but actual thing is different. Okay, you would have seen some motivational quotes. There will be a person standing, like the small picture, and behind him there will be a big shadow of him, or one small cat will be there. Okay, it's a shadow as a tiger in that way. So what you are thinking, not that one. You are something else. You are different. You are great in that. The same way, you are thinking something else. Your imagination says that something asat, something else only you are thinking. Because of Maya, again they say the same thing, but actually you are sat only. Next. Ashritan Tattvamasi iti Veda Vachasa Bodhayati. Sakshat Bodhayati happened, no? Sakshat Bodhayati. Ashrit. Once go back. Sakshat Bodhayati. Ashritan Yaha Tattvamasi iti Veda Vachasa Sakshat Bodhayati. He shows them directly that you are the ultimate Brahman. Sakshat, which means Yat Sakshat Aparokshat Brahma. Yat Sakshat Aksham, that is Pratyaksham, sorry. Yeah, Sakshat means which is there only, which is very, see, Sakshat Karana we say, no? Which means, how to say, I'll become that kind of sakshatkarana, sakshatkara I'll do in that way. So sakshatkarana, I'll become that. Same way sakshat. Directly he is showing that you are the Brahman. Sakshat bodhayati. Next. Yat sakshatkar. Next. Yat sakshatkaranat yasya sakshatkaranena. That's what. Guru jnapayati. He makes you to think or makes you to understand that you are the Brahman. Sakshat kritam asti idanim. Now you understood that you are Brahman and you became Brahman. Let us think, okay? The person has become Brahman. Yasya sakshat karanat. By getting sakshat karana of a person. Yasya, yasya. Yeah, yasya avana yara. Whose sakshat karana you have done. You are getting, understanding. So you have done a particular things sakshatkarana, or you have become that. By that, what will happen? Next. Bhavambo nidhau. Ambha, ambho nidhi. Ambho nidhi means what? Ambho nidhi means what? Nidhi is vidya nidhi is vidya. Okay, ambho nidhi means ambho nidhi is ocean. Ambho nidhi, which means ocean. Bhava means what? Universe. Bhava Sagara. That's what Bhavambho Nidhi. That's all. Okay. Bhava, this samsara, the whole world, the whole universe, is compared to Ambho Nidhi, I mean, ocean. Ocean of university. I'm sorry. Universe. Ocean of the universe. So, examination is happening. So, that university is only in the mind. So, okay. Bhavambho Nidhau. So, in this universe, in this Brahmanda. Next. Next. Avrittihi means what? Avrittihi is not cover here. See, have you seen in the this one river? If you see in this, this one, if there is heavy rain, how flood will be there? Somewhere you tell some ring will be there. Okay, that is what? Whirlpool. That is what? Avrittihi we say. Okay. What does Avritti mean actually here? Avritti means Punara Avritti. Punaha coming to the word. Going back, coming down. Going back, coming down. That circle is called Avritti. Over and over again, people won't get Nabhavet. Won't get, next. Nabhavet. Won't get birth in this word. Okay. By understanding that particular yat sakshat, sakshat bodhayati means sakshat, that Brahman is you. He remembers you, he reminds you that who you are. That immediate moment you have become Brahman. And sakshat karanat, Brahman, you are becoming Brahman means who is he? By understanding or by becoming someone, you cannot come back to this Bhavasagara again. That Atman is you. That's the understanding. Okay. Okay. Next. No, I remember why I put that picture there, but I think not for this slide. This is. Yeah, somewhere it has missed it. Okay. So you once again go back. Each line. Huh? Okay. Yeah. Yasyaiva sphuranam sadatmakam asat kalparthakam bhasate, which says sadatmakam sphuranam. Yasya. So actually, previous question was this one. Once again. The real true thing. No. The appears for us. Okay. Yes, the real thing. No, actually, what was the question? Asata Sajjayat, that happened, right?
How can we defend that we are born out of such?
Yeah. Yes, I'll come to that. No problem. So, actually, I'll come back to the same sentence wise meaning now. The question was, the whole world is getting created by Asat. There was no Sat. That was the question. Now they are explaining, no. Actually, everything has started from Sat only. But it is connected. It is having a bondage with Maya. That's the reason we are feeling that Sat also as Asat. We are just getting that imagination. But that is not the truth. The truth is Sat only. But we are having the feeling of Asat, which is not true. From Sat only the creation will happen, is the first sentence meaning. And next, Sakshat Tattvamasi iti Veda Vachasa Yo Bodhayatyashrita. And how to understand that is the person who reminds us our true self. One person or a guru, he will makes us to understand what we are. We are actually from Sat only, and we are also that Brahman only. He reminds us. Okay. Then, what is that our Sakshat Swarupa, our Sat Swarupa means what? By understanding or by becoming which thing, we cannot come back to the same word again. That is what Chaitanya, that is what Spurana also. That's what they said. Okay. So who is he then? He is what? Dakshinamurti or Guru. For him I pray. That is the meaning. The answers are given in Bhashyam. Okay. Next, we'll go to that. Yasya sadatmakam spuranameva asatkalparthakam bhasate yaha ashritan shishyan tattvamasi ityadi mahavakyaihi vedavachasa vedavakyena upanishadvakyena sakshat bodhayati. Sakshat, what is that sakshat? What is the true thing? He reminds. Yat sakshat karanam, by that particular sakshat karana, by that particular understanding, in this word, bhavam bhavanidho, once again, birth won't be there. This will become the last birth. Or that birth, in which birth we understand our true self, that birth will become the last birth. Okay. Next. Anirvachaniya khyati. Next. Sannapya sanna, it's an important shloka, you can note down also. Sannapya sannapyubhayatmikano bhinnapya bhinnapyubhayatmikanaha sangapya nangapyubhayatmikano mahadbhuta nirvachaniya khyatihi is a shloka. Anirvachani in Vedanta, it's a very important concept. Every philosophers, they will tell about khyati vada. It's a concept, okay? Let us not go into deep what is khyati, what is thair, what's sat khyati, asat khyati, anyatha khyati, like that, some 5-6 will be there. Vedantins have belief in anirvachaniya khyati. Anirvachaniya means what? Which we cannot explain. So, some people will tell, such a beautiful place it was. There is no word to express or explain it. Okay, that kind of sense here. Anirvachaniya. Maya is a thing which cannot be explained or which cannot be expressed. That is the reason reconcilable realism or inexpressible criticalism. That's what they will say for anirvachaniya khyati. Sat apina, asad apina. Sat means what? Asat means what? It is not even Sat, not even Asat. What is that then? It is Ubhayatmika. It is Sat also, Asat also. Huh? What happened? So it is not even Sat, not even Asat. Then there, see, only two things are there. Must be on right hand or left hand. Both of them are not there means what is the understanding? Both of them. I understand what you are thinking. Okay. So sadapina, asadapina, it is ubhayatmika. Okay. So, yeah. So which means this Maya, we cannot say Maya is Sat. It's because it's not true. It's not, there is no existence, there is no exist, Maya is not existent. There is no existence for Maya. And there is no non-existence for also for Maya. Both it's existent, it's existing. At the same time, not existing. As they said earlier, Mayami vat. Sometimes, yeah, I'm seeing. The next moment, I'm not seeing. Till till that time duration, when I was seeing, that is true, Sat. After that, if I'm not seeing, that time duration is Asat. That's how we need to accept. That kind of thing is what Maya. That is what Anirvachaniya. Then Bhinna Apya Bhinna Pyubhayatmika. Bhinna Apina Abhinna Apina. Bhinna means what? Bhedaha Asti. The other. Abhinna means only one. It is with Atman only. No, it is separate. Sometimes it shows itself as separate than Atman. And sometimes it shows that it's with Atman. Yeah, Maya only. It's the definition of Maya only, actually. Okay, like that. So Bhinna, it's not even Bhinna, not even Abhinna. Huh? Huh? Atma Maya. No. Yeah, that is what the thing. That's why when Maya becomes like, Maya is there with Atman. Huh? No, it's not illusion. Why you say that Maya Atman is illusion? Maya, I'm saying no. Abhinna. See, Maya is different than Atman, separate than Atman sometimes. And some other time you feel that Maya is with Atman. It is not separate than Atman. It's with Atman only. Both the feelings you will get. That's the reason Bhinna api, Abhinna api. Sometimes you are feeling separate. Yes, it is separate. Sometimes you are not feeling it is separate. It's single one. It's same. Then, yeah, it's same sometimes. Yes, of course. So like that. Ubhayatmika. Then, Sangapya Nangapya. Sangha means Anga Sahitam. Anga Sahitam means what? Anga with form. No, not like with form. Anga Sahitam means, okay. Yeah, so okay, fine. The creation. It's having that creation sometimes. Sometimes Ananga, it is not having any kind of creation in that way. Both the ways. It shows, which means ultimately, it shows both characteristics. Sometimes it shows you illusionary. Sometimes it shows the true thing. But there is no stabilized stabilized setup for Maya. Sometimes it shows itself as illusionary thing. Sometimes it shows itself as the true thing. So both the times we have to accept Maya. So that's the reason Anirvachaniya. Ultimately, we cannot explain Maya how it acts. That's what they're saying. Huh? Example. Yeah, example is very simple. No? Sometimes we feel that Sukhamaham aswa apsvam. Early morning you will get up. Okay. So Mahadbhuta Anirvachane Khyati. That's how this is because of Maya. Maya is a thing which we cannot explain so easily. That is what they are saying. But ultimately, that which will create illusion. Illusionary word. That is what Maya. Okay. Next, see this one. स्वप्रकाश रहितं जगत् आश्रितस्य आत्मनः प्रकाशेन एव दृश्यते. जगत् आश्रितस्य आत्मनः प्रकाशेन एव दृश्यते. घटादयः अपि पिण्डादिनाशेन न उत्पद्यन्ते परन्तु मृत्पिण्डः गते अनुस्यूतम्. That was the question, no? Asat. Ghata, pot is created. There is no mrit. So they said asatah sadutpattihi. That's what that question. But what they are saying is, okay. So, see here. Ghatadayah mritpinda nashena utpadyante, which means pots, yes, of course, pot will happen by the nasha of mritpinda. Mritpinda, which means mud is there, no? Mud ball. That mud ball form will go away and pot will be created. That's the reason from asat this sat will happen. That's what their question. But the point is this one, you might say that from that mud form, from that mritpinda form, it has changed its form to a pot. But the thing is that the same mud or soil has continued in the pot also. So ataha asatah saditina satah eva utpattihi. It's not from asat. From nothing, everything has started. We cannot say like that. Shunyatah jagat sarjanam nabhoti. Bauddhanam philosophy asti tat. Bauddhaः तथा वदन्ति शून्यात् सर्वं जायते इति. वयं किं वदामः? पूर्णमदं पूर्णमिद किं तत् पूर्णं. We don't say शून्यं, we say पूर्णं. Okay, it starts and ends, it's a circle. Okay, so that is पूर्णं, it's not शून्यं. So किं what मृत्पिंडादि नाशेन न घटस्य उत्पत्तिः. Okay, but mrid, the mud is continued in pot also. That's the reason sat. Yes, sat, from the sat, whether sat has come out or asat has come out, that is a different question. Only thing is now sat is the reason. From sat only the whole word is created. That's the understanding. What will become the karyam part? That is a different part. Okay, we'll see that one. So there in that shloka, they are telling about Maya. Okay, anirvachaniya khyati, which means we cannot express how that Maya illusion is. Why? Because sometimes it shows the completely opposite characteristics. It shows. Sometimes it shows as asat. Sometimes it shows as sat. Sometimes it shows as bhinna. Bhinna means different. Sometimes it shows abhinna, which means there is no difference. Okay, like that. Sometimes it shows sangha, anga sahitam. There are so many surrounding or some extensions are there for it. Sometimes nothing, single, like that it shows. Completely opposite characteristic it shows. Then what do you say for that? How to explain it then is a question. That's the reason we call it anirvachaniya, which cannot be expressed. That is what Maya. That's how we can call it. Is the meaning of that shloka. Okay, that's why in the shloka also somewhere it has come, no, anirvachaniyam, like that. Okay, next here, asatye, listen, asatye prapanche satyatva buddhihi. Asat, listen properly, asatye prapanche satyatva buddhihi. What is meaning? In this asatya word, we are having satya thinking, satya feeling. This is asatya, but we are thinking that it is truth. In the in this non-real word, we are having real feeling. Okay. Impermanent word, permanent thinking or feeling, whatever. Anatmanicha dehadav atma buddhi. And this deha is this body atman? Is this body atman? No. But what we are saying, if you fall somewhere, what do you say? I got hurt. I didn't get hurt, right? That I, which is referred, we are connecting that I to body. So ataha anatmani, this body is not atman, but for the body itself we are saying atma. You're feeling that I. If I refer I, which means this is I, this is I, this is everything is I, what we can see, which means the body is I, we are feeling, which is not I. The body, where what I am referring as I am referring I as body, which is not true. I is itself is Atman, which is inside or which is something different. Because of Maya, what we are saying, asatye prapanche satyatva buddhi, impermanent word, permanent. Then anatmanicha dehe, anatmanicha dehadav atmatva buddhi. Mama putraha, mama pita, mama mitram, mama dehaha iti Brahma Sutrasya Adhyasa Bhashya agachati etat sarvam. Okay. Everything, that attachment itself is I am calling like that, which is not true. एतस्याः मायायाः निवृत्तिः गुरूपदिष्ट तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्येन मूल अज्ञान नाशेन एव सम्यक् ज्ञानं सिद्ध्यति. I remembered when I added that photo in the previous one. You have seen, no? What they are saying, Guru Upadishta Vedanta Vakya. Guru will give the Upadesh of Vedanta Vakya. He will take some Vedanta Vakyas and he'll explain. What he'll explain? What is Atman? What are you? All these things he'll explain. But when your jnana, when this jnana will happen to you, Moola Ajnana Nashena. Empty your cup. Have you heard this somewhere? That is what, just to show that, that's all. Unless you are going to empty yourself, you cannot take something new. So, that is what? Moola Ajnana Nashena. Already, what kind of Ajnana we are having, we need to get rid of it. Then only we can fill Jnana in us. Next. Then only we can get this new Jnana. Samyak Jnana will happen. Then, Asadva, see here, Asadva idamagra asit. That's what the Shruti Vakya. Asadva idamagra asit. Iti Shrutihi anabhivyakta sataha vishaye vadati. Anabhivyakta sat vishaye. Abhivyaktam is what? Bij, again I'll come back to that seed. Seed. Seed you are seeing. Can you see tree? Tree is not abhivyaktam. It hasn't been appeared still. Not expressed. Yes, not expressed itself. Abhivyaktam nasti. Sat also is there only. But Veda Vakya, what it's saying here, Asadva idamagra asit, which means the what? Non-expressed Sat was there. Asadva idamagra asit, which means non-expressed Sat only was there. Anabhivyaktam sadeva asit. Understand? You are getting? If I say something, see, generally you would have heard. So in this village side or in some, like normal, in your houses and all, some people would have said, okay, you put that coconut somewhere there will be a plant, and after 10 years you can eat some coconuts. Okay. Someone will tell. After 15 years or 15 years it will take to grow and give coconut. In between, nothing will happen, it will grow. What is the guarantee? Right? No, there is no guarantee. But also in that coconut itself, which not even started, that's not even sprouted. Already there is an elder, he is saying thousands of coconuts out of that one coconut, right? How he has seen? Which means, which means that coconut is there. Inside the coconut, the tree, which cannot be seen. So, it's not expressed. Abhivyaktam nasti ityartha. Tadvat anabhivyaktam vriksham saha pashyati tatra. Tadvat anabhivyakta sadvishaye etaduktam. Got it? Understood? Clear? Okay. Then Advaitanubhutim bodhayati ityasya jnapayati ityartha. Advaita, see, Advaita anubhuti. Anubhuti means what?
Experience.
Can someone teach the experience? That is the reason. See, Advaita anubhutim jnapayati. He makes you to think, means he makes you to understand, he makes you to feel, he makes you to become that, he makes you to experience that. That's the reason, jnapayati. Understood? Okay. See, in every shloka I have made these points, no? Those points are directly connected with this. What kind of questions will come? What is the answer? In that way, I have made this one. Okay. Next. No, we are going to finish now. No, just nothing is there. Next. Yeah. Oh, no. Previous one. Here only. See this one. Just I'll read out the meanings now. Just simply over. Yeah. Yasya, whose eva only spuranam chaitanyam sadatmakam existence. Then asat kalparthakam, as if not exists in that way. Shows, bhasate, shows. Sakshat, directly or appeared. And then Tattvamasi, yeah, that is your door, that whatever you take here, Tattvamasi, which means that Mahavakya. Veda Vachasa, statement of Vedas, Yaha, who, that particular one. Bodhayati, makes someone to understand. Ashritan, being sheltered. Yat, which. Sakshat Karanat, experienced. Or after getting experience, in that way also you can, yeah. I think that is the better option. After getting experience, Bhavet, should happen. Not should, should not happen. In, see, Sanskrit is like that, no? Bhavet na, first Bhavet will come, should happen. Oh, you will make all the meaning with Bhavet. Then finally you will see there is a na in a corner. So, should not happen. Okay. Punaha, again, Avrutiya, cycle, over and over again. Bhavam Bhonidho, ocean of bondages. This is the meaning. Once go to next. Okay, come back. Come back to shloka. Okay, finally, once we'll read out the shloka and we'll finish. Okay, by this what happened? The question, one set of question answers are over. Okay. By Vishwam Darpana, there was a question, so next shloka has started. So in that next shloka, Asad, from that Asad only the whole word is getting started. That was the question. So third shloka over. And next different thing will start. Okay, start. कल्पार्थकं भासते साक्षात् तत्त्वमसीति वेदवचसा यो बोधयत्याश्रितान् यत् साक्षात् करणात् भवेन्न पुनरावृत्तिर्भवाम्भोनिधौ तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये. ओम शांति शांति शांति.